Hey y'all, just doing a little bit of a quick review of this Creality Ender-3. It's a Ender-3 3D SE. So there were some issues with it. I had first of all, it was going really super fast. It wouldn't slow down, but I changed in Cura the slicer. I deleted the printer and started another one. So I think it was something in the settings that got messed up. This particular printer is not very expensive. It's one of their entry-level beginner type printers. Let me flip this around. So I got an entry-level printer. I did put some lights on it so you can see what's going on, and I did upgrade the y-axis to the linear instead of the wheels. These are not perpendicular to the base. They're crooked. They go back a little bit. They're not exactly perpendicular. What else? I already had a fan fail on me. The fan, the parts cooling fan that's in there, a bunch of pieces came off. Fins. And I'll show you. See the fins all busted off. Those all came apart. I bought some on eBay. I bought a fan on eBay, or not eBay, on Amazon and replaced. It's the same one. They come in a pack. You get this fan, and then you get your hot end fan, which is up in there. You can't see it right now, but the hot end fan's okay. But the part cooling fan, yeah, that kind of just fell all apart. One morning after a print, on the plate right there was all these little black fins. I was like, what the heck are those things? I finally figured it out. But altogether, I mean, it's an okay printer. I just got a bunch of little rolls of filament to kind of play with and see what they do. Prints pretty good. You see that in there. Get the focus moving around. But anyways, so for a beginning, I think it's not too bad. If you're a beginner, this would be a pretty cool one. It does allow you to do some things with it, change things. If you're like a mechanic type person, you like messing with stuff, that's an ideal printer. If not, you might want to get like a Bamboo Labs or something like that, where they're just kind of a plug and play kind of thing. You just hit the button and go, and don't change anything. This, you can change all kinds of stuff on it, from what I understand. And I like doing that kind of stuff, so that's why I got this one. For like a little kid or something, I don't know if I get it. For an adult that likes to play with stuff, yeah, it's a pretty good deal. They're pretty cheap. You can get used ones all day long for $100. Online, people buy them, they don't use them, and they sell them again for $100. So, but anyways, I use Cura to do all my slicing. So I'm just doing that XY cube right here. Check all my axes and things and see what's going on with it. But anyways, pretty cool. I called them up and was talking about the problems, and I'm going to see what they do. And I'll add onto this video and let you know what they ended up doing. If they helped resolve the problem, if they just said, oh, sorry, or what. And I have to go to a different brand, I don't know. But we'll see. Alright? See what you can do, Creality. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.